Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Underglow lights on the car. Let's see what happens, how it installs and stuff like that. So the hardest thing is going to be hooking up the wires and making sure they don't fly around. But yeah, let's start this installation. So we installed the strip on the back and now we're going to move to the sides. And after we do the sides, I guess we're gonna try to do the front and like mount everything first, and then after we mount we're gonna try to connect everything, so it should be pretty easy. So here we are doing the sides. Once I turn this off, I'm gonna try to help him. But yeah, this man's right here zip tying the wires under the car somewhere there. You already know we have all the lights installed. The front one is kind of deep, but whatever. And this is how much access we have just from one light. So we're gonna have one more like this from the other side and we should be good. Have a box that's gonna be here connecting all the lights, and yeah, should be good. Say what you think. No, nothing?
I don't have nothing to say right now. Later.
You'll come in on the lights, right?
Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah.
Yo, he's on. What you telling them? Hey.
That's
So
my new trick.
we have three lights, three wires over here. The only thing we need to connect is the back, and this is the box. I'm about to connect the sides and the front. Let's get it. It's kind of fucking easy, but it just takes time. And this guy is helping now, so shout out to Lee Dan. I'm gonna put his Instagram down below right here on the side.
Ain't nobody gonna follow this nigga?
Ain't nobody following me.
Follow him because he's the man. You need him to do something in New York, you already know he charges low fees. So you guys already know we connected all the lights and connected everything here to the battery. This is power and ground. This is the box. So everything is done. We just have one issue, that we connected it to the Bluetooth once and it's not connected anymore. So I don't know what the hell is going on, but we're about to test everything and try to connect to it, but I don't know why it's not connecting. You're just tucking the last wire in and we're gonna be done. But the light is not working, right, Yuzan?
Nope.
Why is it not working?
I don't think this nigga fucked it up.
Oh shit. So guys, we found the issue. The issue was the fuse, it blew. So right now we sent our friends to get some fuses and they just got back. So we're about to put it inside and see if we get power and if it blows again or not. Hopefully it doesn't and we see some beautiful lights. So let me show you guys that. I guess we're gonna check right now. So the issue I'm having right now with the Underglow is the front light keeps falling off. The second time it fell off already. So the first time it fell off, you see the brackets over here, this piece. Yeah, they basically broke on both sides. And on the other side, I lost the out connector. If you can see, there's no wire. So that's the only wire I have, but thank God this is the power in. So what I have to install this is I bought this whole pack of zip ties that have holes in them. Let me show you. I have a few extra over here as well. So this is how they look. Zip ties with these holes where the screws can go in. So I'm gonna use these as well as some epoxy, which is right here. So this is what I'm gonna use. I actually use this on the side panel, side lights as well, just to make it hold better, because two screws don't really help as much, just on two sides, especially when the strip is so long. The middle section just sags, so I had to add some epoxy and now it holds super nice. So I'm gonna put these on and put the car on the ramps, install the front light. I have two wires, the connectors to the box for the side lights, and then connect that and I should be good to go. So let's try to finish it today finally, please. Let's go. So here's the front strip that I installed. There's these zip ties, non-zip ties. Put 3 of them. Put one over here to hold the wires. Then this is like a lot of things going on here. It's a little messed up because this cover that's supposed to be here, this one, kind of broke over here because there's supposed to be a screw here and one screw all the way at the back, but that back one is for something else. So there's just one screw on that side holding this. So yeah, I don't know what happened here. The screw just came out. Maybe it wasn't tightening enough or something. So the whole thing ripped. So that's how I have it installed over here. Just a bunch of things going on. Trying to hold this piece so it doesn't bang every time I drive. But it's gonna rip again, I think, soon. I'm gonna put more zip ties over here. And then the other light. See, there's another wire right there. I just ran it through here, through this hole inside. Same thing on that side. And that's pretty much it. So, after a crazy amount of work, it's finally done, finally over. Had some difficulties towards the end. Basically, the driver's side is right there. If you see, it's sticking out. That's the driver's side strip. Because I ordered, basically, so the one that I have now in the car is the one that my friend cut on one of the sides where the light's supposed to be connecting in. So, because somehow I broke this one while driving, like I hit a bad road where, you know how they take off the pavement? There's no signs, no nothing that it happened. So you just go on there randomly and then shit like that happens. So that one is completely destroyed and only like 2 LEDs were lighting up. So I hardwired the one that I have on the car and it works. So that's some good news. Bad news is the one on the passenger side, for some reason only half of it is lighting up. The other half is dead, and the half that's lit up, basically like a quarter of the whole strip is like blinking and changing lights when it's supposed to be the whole thing. And then on the other quarter is just lights on, and the other half, or 50%, is just completely dead. I don't know what's the reason. Maybe I hit it as well on that area and it just got damaged or destroyed the strip, the light strip. So that's my guess, but I don't know. I don't want to buy another strip, to be honest, at least not right now. Maybe in the future I will, just to have it work pretty decently, or like better than it is now, because it's kind of messed up on the passenger side. Looks weird. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my experience, all my mistakes. Hopefully this video helped you guys out installing the Underglow on the Tesla. Just want to make sure I tell you this again. I got the light strips from LightingTrendz. They've been helping me out a lot. I had a lot of issues. You probably saw all of them. Except one, the biggest issue, when I was changing the fuses and the whole box just blew up and started smoking like crazy. I didn't catch that on camera. I wish I did. It was looking insanely scary, and it was crazy. I thought my car's gonna be blowing up, so I kind of just ran away for a little bit until I realized the smoke was kind of fading and it was less smoke there. But anyway, I messed up. Got a replacement box, got some replacement connecting wires, paid for a strip, for the light strip to replace the one that I have that was cut basically. So yeah, overall crazy experience. Now I know like all my issues and I can probably do it easily. I wish I had a lift or like a mechanic shop where I can just use their lift for like 30 minutes. All I need is 30 minutes and the light strip is gonna be done. Like I can install it perfectly nice, like legit the best install ever. I can do it for 30 minutes. Just give me a lift and I'll do it, but I don't have that option right now, so had to do it outside on the street using ramps because my car is also low, so it's really hard to get under it. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned because I have some crazy stuff coming up. Peace.